Hey guys, I'm Tapos Group and today, yes, as you can see, I finally found diamonds off camera and look at these. I got so much money guys. These are 43 diamonds. So first I thought I'll start the video with making full diamond armor and some tools so that you guys can see how I finally found diamonds in caves and I found no diamond strip mining. So this took a while. And guys, don't worry, I'm gonna build my house today. So first I'm gonna make myself a chest plate. Wow, so beautiful. And leggings. Then a helmet and boots. Let's go. We have so many diamonds left. How many? 19. That's enough for, I guess, what do you call? For the tools I need. So, uh, put this here, wear that. Put this here, wear that. Put this here, wear that. And, yep, boys. I am shiny. Let's go. Look at me with my diamond armor and my diamond sword. Finally, it took me so long to find these diamonds off camera. It's stupid. And put the iron armor here. I have to still sort out my inventory, sadly. No space here too. Okay. A new diamond pickaxe. Let's go. String, get out of here. Some sticks, please. And diamond axe. Yep. What else? What else? What else? A diamond shovel, I guess. Oh no, I don't have any sticks. Okay, that's sad. I'll just wear this and I'll have space. Get this out of here. Yep. And let's make this diamond shovel. Diamond shovel. Done. What else do I need? Axe, pickaxe, shovel. Uh, I'll not make a hoe for now. It's kind of useless, I feel. So I'll leave the hoe alone. And make another chest, I guess. I found another dungeon really far away from here, so I thought, and I found something really special in that, and I thought, why not name my horse? So, guys, in the comments below, tell me what I should name my horse, and I will choose one lucky person, and I'll choose their name to name my horse. So, please comment down below what I should name my horse, okay, guys? I'll keep it safely back here, and yep, wait for your comments, I guess. So guys, I think I've what do you call flattened this area a lot now. So I'll just fill up the holes and I'm going to sleep now. And the next morning, I think we're going to start making our house. I'm not going to sleep in this garbage place anymore. I'm going to finally have a house. And my building skills are not the greatest, so don't count on me on making such an amazing house. No, no, don't blast, please. Oh come on! I just flattened this place out. Now to flatten it again. Okay, this will take a minute. So yeah. See you then, I guess. Yep, it's finally flattened out again. I'll just kill these mobs here and start putting the fences, I guess. So, how long do I think I should keep my house? So, from. Oh, come on! I just killed all of you and you're coming back. Okay, so one from here to. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How far is that? Okay, no, that's quite far. Okay. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Break this and yeah, this is where my fences will be. So, okay, I can't jump, so I'll just place 2 sand here and 1, 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So 3 fences, okay. And 2, 3. Yep, I think that's good. Will be good enough for now. Wow, okay. Some slabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's enough. And I'll just climb up here from the side. Start placing slabs, I guess. So guys, I made this staircase. I think it looks good, and I'm thinking of replacing the bottom of these fences with this. Yeah, perfect. And like this, I think it looks like it's standing on a stick for no reason, and I want it to look much more sturdier. So yeah, I think this will work much better. Yep, yeah, that's better. Oh wait, should I even do this? Let's see, let's see. Uh, nah, I think that looks fine. The fence. Don't like the plank so much. So yeah. Okay, now I need to okay. I need to make some slabs. Like one actually. This one is okay. And I actually need to go up now, so yep. So the house is coming well together. I mean, I've got a lot to do still, but yeah, I think it'll come together soon. It'll just take a while, and I think we'll be ready. Uh, Slab. This is taking a while to build, but it's looking nice now. I mean, it's coming together, I guess. I need to go back up. Oh, okay. Just let me go, please, 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 please. Yeah. Please don't tell me I ran out of wood. Oh, come on, again? I mean, okay, but this is wide by 3. Okay, so one here, one here, one here. And like, okay, I have a few more blocks, so I can do this, this, this. No. And while I'm shifting everything to my house, I'll put some sand for being furnished, I guess, to make glass. Cause why not? Yep, perfect. So let me make my of sand into glass, and I'll improve my house till then, I guess. So I'll break this bed. Hi, horsey. Okay. Okay, so break this, break this, break this. Yep. Wow. Okay. This is really tall, huh? Okay. Done. Finally. Hey, it's the guy with the trident. Die. Come on. Sad he didn't drop it. I hope he would drop it. So yep. This is not bad at all. Okay. So first I need to go inside my house. So guys, this will be a two-parted video because this video is taking quite a while. So I'm thinking I'm going to upload two parts of this video. Okay guys? So stay tuned for the second video coming out soon.